A flashing yellow traffic signal means you should A. Stop completely. B. Proceed only on a green arrow. C. Speed up to clear the intersection. D. Slow down and watch for others. Answer D. Slow down and watch for others. A downward-pointing red and white triangle sign indicates you must A. Stop. B. Yield the right of way. C. Detour ahead. D. No trucks allowed. Answer B. Yield the right of way. A rectangular black and white sign displaying 55 is A. Speed limit sign. B. Minimum speed sign. C. Distance marker. D. Advisory plaque. Answer A. Speed limit sign. You may not pass another vehicle when there is A. A dashed yellow line on your side. B. A solid yellow line on your side. C. A dashed white center line. D. No line at all. Answer B. A solid yellow line on your side. When a traffic light turns from green to yellow, you should A. Stop if you can do so safely. B. Accelerate through. C. Turn right only. D. Make a U-turn. Answer A. Stop if safe to do so. A lane marked by parallel solid and broken yellow lines on each side is reserved for A. Through traffic only. B. Passing on hills. C. Left turns from either direction. D. Emergency vehicles. Answer C. Left turns from either direction. A red octagon means A. Stop. B. Do not enter. C. Wrong way. D. Railroad crossing. Answer A. Stop. Guide signs that give directions to services such as hospitals are normally A. Orange. B. Red. C. Green, brown, or blue. D. Black and white. Answer C. Green, brown, or blue. Kentucky requires seat belts in vehicles manufactured after A. 1970. B. 1981. C. 1990. D. 2000. Answer B. 1981. Kentucky's seatbelt law is an enforcement law. A. Secondary. B. Federal. C. Voluntary. D. Primary. Answer D. Primary. The shoulder harness should be worn A. Behind the back. B. Under the arm. C. Across shoulder and chest with little slack. D. Tied in a knot. Answer C. Across shoulder and chest. The lap belt should lie A. Across the stomach. B. Low and snug across the hips. C. Across the chest. D. Over the knees. Answer B. Low and snug across the hips. When backing, grasp the steering wheel at the A. 10 o'clock position. B. 2 o'clock position. C. 9 and 3 o'clock positions. D. 12 o'clock position with the left hand. Answer D. 12 o'clock with left hand. Your right arm should be placed while backing A. On the back of the seat. B. On the gear shift. C. Out the window. D. Under the seat belt. Answer A. On the back of the seat. To stop the vehicle, you should apply steady pressure until the vehicle A. Accelerates. B. Jerks to a halt. C. Comes to a complete stop. D. Downshifts automatically. Answer C. Comes to a complete stop. The recommended normal hand position on the steering wheel is A. 10 and 2 o'clock. B. 9 and 3 o'clock. C. 8 and 4 o'clock. D. 6 and 12 o'clock. Answer B. 9 and 3 o'clock. After a light turns green, you should first A. Accelerate immediately. B. Flash headlights. C. Sound your horn. D. Check that the intersection is clear. Answer D. Check that it is clear. Signal your intention to turn at least feet before the turn. A. 25 feet. B. 50 feet. C. 100 feet. D. 200 feet. Answer C. 100 feet. On a 3-lane highway, the middle lane is generally used for A. Slow traffic. B. Through traffic. C. Emergency stopping. D. Bicycles only. Answer B. Through traffic. Remaining in the left lane on a limited access highway when not passing is A. Illegal. B. Courteous. C. Required. D. Optional. Answer A. Illegal. When turning right, you should enter A. The lane nearest the curb. B. The far left lane. C. Any open lane. D. The center lane. Answer A. Lane nearest the curb. The first action before changing lanes is to A. Accelerate sharply. B. Honk the horn. C. Check your mirrors. D. Turn on high beams. Answer C. Check mirrors. The shared center left turn lane must not be used for A. Making a U-turn. B. Passing another vehicle. C. Turning left. D. Entering a driveway. Answer B. Passing another vehicle. When entering a multi-lane highway, use the acceleration lane to A. Stop and look both ways. B. Signal other drivers to slow. C. Back up if you miss the gap. D. Reach the speed of traffic before merging. Answer D. Reach traffic speed. Unless posted otherwise, the speed limit on Kentucky interstate highways is A. 55 miles per hour. B. 65 miles per hour. C. 70 miles per hour. D. 60 miles per hour. Answer B. 65 miles per hour. The default speed limit in a business or residential district is A. 25 miles per hour. B. 30 miles per hour. C. 35 miles per hour. D. 45 miles per hour. Answer C. 35 miles per hour. On state highways not otherwise posted, the speed limit is A. 55 miles per hour. B. 45 miles per hour. C. 60 miles per hour. D. 70 miles per hour. Answer A. 55 miles per hour. In an off-street public parking facility, the maximum speed is A. 10 miles per hour. B. 15 miles per hour. C. 20 miles per hour. D. 25 miles per hour. Answer B. 15 miles per hour. When visibility is limited to 100 feet by heavy rain or fog, you should not exceed A. 35 miles per hour. B. 55 miles per hour. C. 45 miles per hour. D. 25 miles per hour. Answer D. 25 miles per hour. Good driving habit: glance at your speedometer about once every A. 30 seconds. B. 5 minutes. C. Minute. D. Mile. Answer C. About once a minute. When making a right turn, you should not A. Swing wide to the left first. B. Stay close to the curb. C. Signal your turn. D. Check mirrors. Answer A. Swing wide left. When making a left turn, always A. Turn from the curb lane. B. Yield to oncoming traffic. C. Accelerate through the curve. D. Signal only after starting the turn. Answer B. Yield to oncoming traffic. After completing a turn you should first A. Speed to match traffic. B. Honk twice. C. Cancel your turn signal and check traffic behind. D. Turn on headlights. Answer C. Cancel signal and check rear. If you miss your planned turn you should A. Back up in the intersection. B. Proceed to the next intersection and return. C. Make a U-turn immediately. D. Stop in the travel lane. Answer B. Go to next intersection. In multiple lane turns, you should A. Stay in your lane until the turn is finished. B. Cut across several lanes. C. Use the shoulder to straighten out. D. Stop mid-turn if needed. Answer A. Stay in lane. A legal turnabout requires your vehicle be visible for at least feet in both directions. A. 200 feet. B. 300 feet. C. 500 feet. D. 1,000 feet. Answer C. 500 feet. At a four-way stop where vehicles arrive together, you must yield to A. The driver on your left. B. The driver on your right. C. The larger vehicle. D. The slowest vehicle. Answer B. Driver on your right. When entering a highway from a driveway you should yield to A. No one. B. Bicycles only. C. Vehicles you can outrun. D. Drivers already on the public highway. Answer D. Drivers on the highway. Pedestrians in a crosswalk have the right of way even if A. The traffic light is green for vehicles. B. They are jaywalking. C. They wave you on. D. It's a school zone. Answer A. Traffic light is green. When turning right on red you must be prepared to yield to A. Only large trucks. B. Pedestrians crossing the street. C. Vehicles behind you. D. Animals. Answer B. Pedestrians. Every motor vehicle must have a working A. Muffler. B. Spoiler. C. Turbocharger. D. Rooftop light bar. Answer A. Muffler. Kentucky law requires at least mirrors for rear visibility. A. 1 mirrors. B. 2 mirrors. C. 3 mirrors. D. 4 mirrors. Answer B. 2 mirrors. Mechanical turn signals on your vehicle must be A. Optional. B. Removed for off-road use. C. Painted over. D. Present and in working order. Answer D. Working order required. Excessive window tint or flashing lights other than turn signals are considered A. Stylish accessories. B. Unlawful equipment. C. Mandatory safety gear. D. Emergency gear. Answer B. Unlawful equipment. Along a curb you should park A. As close to the curb as possible. B. Angled out. C. 1 foot away. D. Facing traffic. Answer A. Close to the curb. Unauthorized parking in a handicapped space is A. A courtesy. B. Free after 6 p.m. C. Punishable by a fine. D. Allowed on weekends. Answer C. Punishable by a fine. When parking on a hill with no curb, turn your wheels so the vehicle would A. Roll into traffic. B. Roll off the roadway. C. Point straight ahead. D. Lock against the curb. Answer B. Roll off the roadway. A proper visual search pattern looks seconds ahead of your vehicle. A. 5 to 10 seconds ahead. B. 10 to 15 seconds ahead. C. 20 to 30 seconds ahead. D. 35 to 45 seconds ahead. Answer: C. 20 to 30 seconds ahead. To avoid staring while driving, you should A. Close one eye. B. Fix your gaze on the hood ornament. C. Look only at the speedometer. D. Keep your eyes moving and scanning. Answer: D. Keep eyes moving. Mirror checks are especially critical when changing lanes, slowing, stopping, and A. Turning on headlights. B. Entering an intersection. C. Adjusting the radio. D. Parking at home. Answer: B. Entering an intersection.